Okra is a key ingredient, providing a unique texture and flavor to the dish. Onions and tomatoes form the base of the dish, contributing sweetness and acidity. Green chilies and ginger garlic paste add heat and aromatic complexity. Salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder provide essential seasoning. Cumin seeds contribute a warm, earthy flavor to the overall profile. Oil is used as a cooking medium, facilitating the blending of flavors. Okra pods are washed thoroughly under running water to remove surface dirt. Washing okra removes impurities, ensuring a cleaner and safer ingredient for cooking. The washing process is a critical step in food preparation to maintain hygiene. Removing impurities from okra enhances the overall quality and taste of the final dish. Washing okra is the initial step in preparation. Thorough drying of the washed okra is essential. Drying prevents the okra from becoming slimy during frying. Complete dryness is crucial for optimal frying results. Dried okra is prepared by cutting it into pieces that are approximately 1–2 inches in length. Uniformity in the size of the okra pieces is crucial for ensuring even cooking. Consistent okra piece sizes promote a balanced texture and flavor profile during cooking. The cutting process ensures that each okra piece cooks at a similar rate, preventing undercooked or overcooked sections. Oil is heated in a pan on a stovetop over medium heat. The readiness of the oil is visually indicated by shimmering and slight wisps of smoke. The shimmering indicates the oil has reached the appropriate temperature for cooking. Avoid overheating the oil, as excessive smoke indicates it is breaking down and may become a fire hazard. Adding sliced onions to hot oil initiates the frying process. Frying onions involves heating them in oil until they undergo a color transformation. The ideal endpoint is achieved when the onions turn a light golden brown color. Correctly fried onions exhibit a specific color and texture. Ginger garlic paste is added to the sautéed onions. The ginger garlic paste is sautéed for approximately 1 minute. Sautéing the ginger garlic paste releases its aromatic compounds. The change in color indicates the ginger garlic paste is properly cooked. Chopped tomatoes are introduced into the cooking process. The application of heat initiates the softening of the tomatoes. The softening process alters the structural integrity of the tomatoes. Visual cues indicate the progression of the tomato softening process. The cooking process releases moisture, contributing to the overall sauce consistency. Salt is added to the tomato mixture. Red chili powder is incorporated into the tomato base. Turmeric powder is mixed into the tomato mixture. Coriander powder is stirred into the tomato mixture. Cumin seeds are added to complete the spice blend. Masala is cooked until it releases oil, indicating readiness. The separation of oil from the masala mixture serves as a visual cue for doneness, visual indication of readiness. Oil separation signifies the masala has reached the desired consistency. The release of oil is a key indicator that the masala's flavors have fully developed. Properly cooked masala exhibits a clear distinction between the oil and the solid components. Oil separation in masala cooking ensures optimal flavor and texture in the final dish. Chopped okra is added to the cooked masala. The okra is gently mixed to ensure even coating with the masala. Even coating ensures the okra absorbs the flavors of the masala. The mixing process distributes heat evenly, aiding in the cooking of the okra. Gentle mixing prevents the okra from breaking down and maintains its texture. Proper incorporation of okra enhances the overall taste and texture of the dish. Okra is cooked in a covered pan on low heat until tender, typically for 10–12 minutes. Covering the pan helps to trap steam, which aids in cooking the okra evenly and efficiently. Maintaining a low flame is crucial to prevent the okra from burning and sticking to the pan. Tender okra indicates that it is properly cooked and has reached the desired texture. The cooking process involves a balance of heat, moisture, and time to achieve optimal tenderness without burning. Tenderness in okra is assessed by gently piercing it with a fork. The fork should easily penetrate the okra without excessive resistance. Desired texture indicates the okra is cooked through but not mushy. Checking for tenderness ensures optimal flavor and texture of the cooked okra. Freshly chopped green chilies are introduced into the cooked okra. The addition of green chilies enhances the dish with a spicy flavor profile. Light stirring ensures an even distribution of the chilies throughout the okra. Visual integration of the chilies with the okra creates a cohesive and appealing dish. The vibrant green of the chilies contrasts with the earthy tones of the okra. This process integrates the green chilies, enhancing the dish's overall flavor. The heat source is turned off, indicating the cooking process is complete. The absence of heat signifies the dish is ready to be served. Turning off the heat is the final step in preparing Fry Bhindi. Completion of cooking is visually confirmed by the heat being off. The state of heat off signals the transition from cooking to serving. Fry Bhindi is typically served hot to enhance its flavor and texture. This dish is commonly paired with chapati or paratha, complementing its savory taste. Visually appealing plating enhances the dining experience. The combination of textures and spices creates a balanced and satisfying meal. Serving the dish immediately after cooking ensures optimal taste and aroma. Proper presentation elevates the perceived value and enjoyment of the dish.